Parts of a sentence. There are two main parts of a sentence. Number one, subject. Number two, predicate. उर्दू में सब्जेक्ट को फाइल और प्रेडिकेट को खबर कहते हैं. Let us see what is subject. Subject is a person or thing that is described or talked about in a sentence. जिस शख्स या जिस चीज़ के बारे में जुमले में बात की जाए उसे सब्जेक्ट कहते हैं. एक बात हमेशा जहन में रखें कि सब्जेक्ट या तो नाउन होता है या प्रोनाउन होता है. Let us see what is predicate. Predicate is anything that is described about the subject in a sentence. जुमले में सब्जेक्ट के बारे में जो कुछ भी बताया जाता है वो प्रेडिकेट होता है कि सब्जेक्ट क्या कर रहा है या किस हैसियत में मौजूद है. Let us see some examples. A man told a story. Someone cried. Virus is the smallest organism but the biggest threat on the earth. Everyone admires RCM. Teaching is a noble profession. Let us see the parts of sentences. A man is subject, told a story is its predicate. इस सेंटेंस में मैन की बात हो रही है, वो सब्जेक्ट है, और मैन के बारे में जो कुछ बताया जा रहा है वो इसकी प्रेडिकेट है. सब्जेक्ट के अलावा जुमले के सारे अल्फाज प्रेडिकेट का हिस्सा होते हैं. Someone is subject, cried is predicate. Virus is subject, all other words in the sentence are predicate. Everyone is subject, admires or CM is predicate. Teaching is subject, is a noble profession, is its predicate. Let us learn the parts of predicate now. Parts of predicate are variable in sentences. Main part in predicate is always a verb. In some sentences, there is only one part in predicate and that one part is always a verb. कुछ जुमलों में predicate का एक ही हिस्सा होता है और वो verb होता है. Look at the sentence number 2 for example. There is only verb in predicate. See the other examples. The predicate contains only a verb in these sentences. That verb is intransitive verb which has no object. इन जुमलों की predicate में सिर्फ verb ही शामिल है और ये verb intransitive verb है जिसका कोई object नहीं होता. In some sentences there is a verb and object in their predicate. These verbs are transitive verbs which keep object. कुछ जुमलों की predicate में transitive verb होता है जिनके साथ हमेशा कोई ना कोई object होता है. Look at sentence number 1 for example. Told is verb, a story is object. Both make the predicate. Look at the sentence number 4 for another example. Admires is verb or CM is object. Both make the predicate. Look at these sentences for more examples. They have verb and object in their predicate. इन तमाम जुमलों में verb के साथ एक object है. Verb और object दोनों predicate के हिस्से बनते हैं. In some sentences, there is a verb and a complement in the predicate. Mostly these are verbs of to be or verbs of to have which do not possess any object. कुछ जुमलों की predicate में verb के साथ complement होता है. इनमें कोई object नहीं होता. complement का मतलब होता है जुमले की मीनिंग को मुकम्मल करने वाला. Look at this sentence for example. Predicate contains verb is and complement a noble profession. There is no object in this sentence. इस जुमले की predicate में to be का verb मौजूद है और जिसके साथ कोई भी object नहीं होता. Here is another example of verb and complement in the predicate. इस जुमले की predicate में भी to be का verb मौजूद है जिसके साथ कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं, इसमें सिर्फ कॉम्प्लीमेंट मौजूद है। Look at these sentences for more examples of verb and complement in the predicate. इन तमाम जुमलों की प्रेडिकेट में वर्ब के साथ सिर्फ कॉम्प्लीमेंट मौजूद है। A sentence may have enlargement at any part, in subject, in verb, in object, in complement, anywhere. जुमले के इन हिस्सों में किसी भी जगह इजाफी अल्फाज आ सकते हैं, वो enlargement कहलाते हैं। Enlargement in subject. A subject may be enlarged by adding some words in it. Let us see how subject is enlarged in this sentence. A man told a story. An old man told a story. A poor old man told a story. A poor old man of our village told a story. See the other example of enlargement of subject. Another sentence showing the enlargement of subject. Let us learn enlargement in verb. Someone cried loudly. Look at these sentences, how verbs are enlarged. Verbs are enlarged by adding adverbs or adverbial phrases. तमाम मिसाल वर्ब में इजाफे के हैं। Enlargement in object. Look at the sentence. A story's object here. Look how it is enlarged. किसी ऑब्जेक्ट में मज़ीद अल्फाज मिलाने से उसमें इजाफा हो जाता है। In some sentences there are two objects. One is indirect and other is direct object. In two objects, indirect object is person and direct object is a thing. Indirect object हमेशा कोई person होता है और direct object thing होती है। Enlargement in the complement. Look at this sentence. How the word a doctor is enlarged. इस तरह एक जुमले में किसी भी जगह इजाफी अल्फाज आ जाने से उसमें इजाफा हो जाता है। Thanks for watching this video. Hope you learned something.